Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Gmail that can help you keep track of important messages: how to view your starred emails. So let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Gmail app. This is where all the magic happens. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see 3 horizontal lines. These are often called the menu or navigation icon. Give that a good tap. Now, a menu will slide in from the left, revealing a variety of options to choose from. Scroll through this menu until you find the option labeled Starred. This is where all your important emails live, neatly organized for easy access. Tap on Starred, and voila! You're all set to view all the emails you've marked as significant. Remember, starring emails is a great way to keep your inbox organized, making it easier to find critical information when you need it. Whether it's an important work email, a message from a friend, or anything else you don't want to lose track of, starring is the answer. Once you're done, you can easily go back to your inbox or other folders by following the same steps. So there you have it. Quick and easy steps to view your starred emails in Gmail on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.